Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to do my makeup for Barbara from Genshin Impact. I start with taping my cheeks to make them look slimmer as I usually do, and then I apply my foundation. Then I use concealer on areas that need extra coverage. I like my face to be a blank canvas for cosplay makeup, so my foundation is pretty heavy. I finish off my foundation by setting it with a loose powder and a beauty blender, and I just tap into my face. It creates a very smooth and perfect finish. I fill in my eyebrows with an eyebrow pencil, and then I set them in place with eyebrow gel. I pop in those cute lenses with sparkles in them, and then I start my eye makeup with applying a light orange shade all over my eyelid and under my eye. I'm using this gorgeous orange ColourPop palette. It's one of my favorite ones from this brand. Then I use a darker orange shade in the crease and on the lower lash line. And I blend it out with the lighter shade that I used before. I apply peachy shimmery shadow on my eyelid, and then I add even more sparkle with a pressed glitter. Then I draw a winged eyeliner, and while I'm doing it, let me remind you to subscribe to my channel and press the like button because it helps me out a lot. Then I draw the eye bag with a very cool brown eyeshadow, and I use highlighter in the corner and right under my eye to accentuate it even more. I drew two big eyelashes under my eye because Barbara has those, and then I outline the eyeliner with a very dark orange eyeshadow to kind of soften it up. I curl my eyelashes and I put mascara on. Then I put this orange blush all over my cheeks and on my nose. And then I contour my nose and highlight the tip and bridge of my nose, cupid bow, chin, and my cheeks. Then I put foundation on my lips and I apply lip tint and blend it out on the edges to kind of create a gradient. Finally, I pop on the eyelashes and boom, we're done.